West Virginia, a state nestled in the heart of Appalachia. It's a land of rolling mountains, lush forests, and sparkling rivers. Known as the Mountain State, it's a place where nature reigns supreme. The air is clean and fresh, filled with the scent of pine needles and wildflowers. The peace and quiet are broken only by the sound of birdsong and the whisper of the wind. A true sanctuary for nature lovers. West Virginia is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life, to reconnect with nature and find peace. West Virginia's diverse habitats support a rich variety of wildlife. Black bears roam the forests, their presence a reminder of the wildness that still exists. White-tailed deer graze in the meadows, their graceful movements a joy to behold. In the skies above, bald eagles soar effortlessly, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below. The rivers teem with fish, providing sustenance for otters, mink, and a variety of bird species. West Virginia is a reminder that we share this planet with a multitude of creatures, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. West Virginia's landscapes are as diverse as its wildlife. This state, often referred to as the Mountain State, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and ecological diversity. From the rolling hills to the rugged mountains, every corner of West Virginia offers a unique glimpse into the wonders of nature. The Appalachian Mountains dominate the eastern part of the state, their ancient peaks reaching for the sky. These mountains, some of the oldest in the world, have stood the test of time, witnessing the changing seasons and the passage of countless generations. Hiking through these majestic peaks, one can feel the history and the raw power of the earth beneath their feet. The New River Gorge, carved by the relentless flow of water over millions of years, is a testament to the power of nature. This awe-inspiring canyon, with its steep cliffs and roaring rapids, is a haven for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Whether you're whitewater rafting, rock climbing, or simply taking in the breathtaking views from the New River Gorge Bridge, this natural wonder never fails to impress. Dense forests cover much of the state, providing habitat for countless species of plants and animals. These lush woodlands are home to a rich tapestry of life, from towering oaks and maples to delicate ferns and wildflowers. Wildlife thrives here, with deer, black bears, and countless bird species calling these forests home. Walking through these dense woods, one can truly appreciate the intricate balance of nature. Open meadows and fields offer a different kind of beauty, with wildflowers painting the landscape in vibrant hues. In the spring and summer, these meadows burst into a riot of color, with daisies, black-eyed Susans, and other wildflowers creating a stunning mosaic. These open spaces are not just visually appealing, they also provide essential habitats for pollinators like bees and butterflies, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. From the highest mountain peak to the lowest river valley, West Virginia's landscapes are a feast for the eyes. Each elevation offers a different perspective, a new story to tell. The highest peaks provide sweeping vistas that stretch for miles, while the river valleys offer serene, tranquil scenes of flowing water and lush greenery. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature photographer, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, West Virginia has something to offer everyone. West Virginia is home to a wealth of unique and fascinating flora and fauna. Nestled in the heart of the Appalachian Mountains, this state offers a rich tapestry of natural beauty that is both diverse and captivating. From its rolling hills to its dense forests, every corner of West Virginia is teeming with life and wonder. The state flower, the rhododendron, blooms in profusion in the spring, its bright pink flowers a welcome sight after a long winter. These vibrant blossoms not only add a splash of color to the landscape but also provide essential nectar for pollinators like bees and butterflies. The rhododendron's resilience and beauty make it a true emblem of West Virginia's natural splendor. The sugar maple, the state tree, provides not only beautiful fall foliage but also the sap that is used to make delicious maple syrup. In autumn, the leaves of the sugar maple transform into a stunning array of reds, oranges, and yellows, creating a breathtaking display that attracts visitors from near and far. The process of tapping these trees for sap is a time-honored tradition, connecting the people of West Virginia to their land and heritage. And the state animal, the black bear, is a symbol of the wildness that still exists in this part of the world. These majestic creatures roam the forests and mountains, embodying the untamed spirit of West Virginia. Observing a black bear in its natural habitat is a reminder of the delicate balance between humans and nature, and the importance of preserving these wild spaces for future generations. These are just a few examples of the many natural treasures that await discovery in West Virginia. From the smallest wildflower to the grandest mountain vista, the state's natural wonders offer endless opportunities for exploration and appreciation. Whether you're hiking through a lush forest, paddling down a serene river, or simply enjoying the view from a mountaintop, West Virginia's hidden treasures are sure to leave a lasting impression on all who experience them. Section 5. A sense of serenity. There's a sense of peace and tranquility that washes over you when you spend time in West Virginia's great outdoors. The vast expanses of lush green mountains, the dense forests that seem to stretch endlessly, and the serene lakes nestled between the hills all contribute to this feeling. It's a place where nature's beauty is on full display, inviting you to slow down and take it all in. The fresh air, the sound of birdsong, the feel of the sun on your skin, all of these things combine to create a sense of well-being. Imagine walking through a forest where the sunlight filters through the leaves, casting a warm golden glow on everything it touches. You take a deep breath, filling your lungs with the crisp, clean air, and you can't help but feel rejuvenated. The cheerful chirping of birds adds a melodic soundtrack to your experience, making you feel even more connected to the natural world around you. Whether you're hiking through the woods, exploring trails that wind through towering trees and discovering hidden waterfalls along the way, fishing in a quiet stream where the only sounds are the gentle flow of water and the occasional splash of a fish breaking the surface, or simply relaxing in a rocking chair on a porch with a scenic view that stretches out before you, offering a perfect spot to watch the sunset, time seems to slow down in West Virginia. The hustle and bustle of everyday life fade away, replaced by the gentle rhythm of nature. Watching the clouds drift lazily over the mountains or witnessing the sky transform into a canvas of vibrant colors as the sun sets over a peaceful valley, you can't help but feel a deep sense of calm. It's a place to escape the stresses of everyday life and reconnect with yourself and the natural world. Whether you're meditating in a quiet forest, enjoying a picnic with loved ones surrounded by the beauty of nature, or simply taking in the untouched wilderness, West Virginia offers a sanctuary for the soul. Here, you can find the serenity you've been seeking, a chance to recharge and find balance in the embrace of nature's splendor. Section 6. Guardians of the Mountain State. The people of West Virginia have a deep respect and appreciation for their state's natural beauty. They understand that these precious resources are not to be taken for granted. Efforts are being made to conserve and protect these natural habitats, ensuring that future generations will be able to enjoy them. From state parks and forests to national recreation areas, there are many opportunities to experience the wonders of West Virginia's natural world. Section 7. The Call of the Wild. The call of the wild is strong in West Virginia. It's a call to explore, to discover, to reconnect with nature. Whether you're an experienced outdoors person or a first-time visitor, West Virginia has something to offer everyone. From hiking and camping to fishing and bird watching, there are countless ways to experience the beauty of West Virginia's natural world. So answer the call of the wild and discover the magic of West Virginia for yourself. Section 8. Preserving Paradise. West Virginia's natural beauty is a precious gift, one that we have a responsibility to protect. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help to ensure that these wild places remain wild for generations to come. We can all do our part by practicing leave no trace principles when we're enjoying the outdoors. By picking up after ourselves, staying on designated trails, and respecting wildlife, we can help to preserve the beauty of West Virginia for future generations. Section 9. A Legacy of Beauty. West Virginia's natural beauty is a legacy to be cherished and protected. It's a reminder that there are still places in this world where nature reigns supreme. Places where we can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with something larger than ourselves. Let us all do our part to ensure that this legacy of beauty is passed down to future generations.